giving everybody a climbing option of an NFT, so you can do it. If you don't participate in fucking Pixelverse airdrop before, doesn't matter what is that, doesn't matter. Here you can do claim your NFT and it will be worthwhile after a couple of certain time later. So if you really want to claim this NFT that I'm going to claim, so this on, you can do it. So you need to therefore spend 0.5 ton. There's nearly couple of, I'm showing you how many money you need to spend for that. So if I do calculate, like it's a gas fee. Okay, while you claim any other NFT at that time, you need to give Ethereum gas fee. So here is 0.1 ton price to USDT. So if I do Google it, so it is nearly 3.43 USDT. So if you are able to claim it, you can do it. So if it is in your control, you can do it. Okay, so just click on this claim, and here is claim NFT option has. So click on here, connect your wallet, and after that, inside of your wallet, you need to have couple of tone, that is nearly $4 worthwhile tone you need to have inside of your wallet. So here is connect and open your Telegram. It will be immediately connect, and the NFT would be claimed inside of your Telegram, and that's it. So it is as simple as that. Okay, see you later the next time. So if you don't yet participate in our Telegram channel, check out Telegram. I will be glad to you. So check